Hello, my little learners. Welcome back to Tiny Talent Academy. Today, we are going to learn something magical. We are going to read real words. Yes, you heard it right. Real words using only 3 sounds. Are you ready, my word wizards? Say it with me. Word wizard power!
Little learners, when 3 sounds stand together, they become a real word. Look at this. K, a, t. When the sounds join, they make the word cat. That is the magic we will learn today. I will teach you the easiest way ever. Listen and follow with me. Step 1. Say each sound slowly. K, a, t. Step 2. Bring the first 2 sounds closer. K, a, ka. Step 3. Add the last sound. Cat. Cat. You read a word. Amazing! Let's practice together. Say the sounds with me. S, n. Sun. Next word. P, e, pen. Next word. A, p, map. You are doing so well. These words are a little tricky, but you can do it. Let's try. D, I, g. Dig. P, a, t. Pot. He, e, n. Hen. Wonderful reading. Now I will show the words. You try to read them before me. Here we go. Word 1. D, o, j. Blended. Dog. Word 2. K, a, p. Blended. Cap. Word 3. S, I, t. Blended. Sit. Word 4. B, I, d. Blended. Bed. Word 5. B, a, g. Blended. Bug. Great job! You are becoming a real word wizard. Let's build a word together. Start with this sound. K. Add a and p. K, a, p. Cap. Now, change the last sound to t. K, a, t. Cat. Now, change t to b. K, a, b. cab. Wow! You just made 3 new words. Changing one sound makes a new word. You are amazing! Now I will teach you a secret trick used by all good readers. Word families. If words end the same, they sound the same. Listen. The at family. At. Cat. At. Bat. At. Mat. At. Sat. At. Rat. The og family. Og. Dog. Og. Log. Og. Hog. Og. Fog. Word families help you read faster. You are learning so well. Now let's break words into sounds. This helps with spelling. I say the word, you say the sounds. Sun. S. N. Dog. D. O. G. Pen. P. E. N. Great job, little wizards! You are learning like stars. Now let's break words into sounds. This helps us spell and read better. Now it's test time. Read these words with me. Cup. K. P. Cup. Ram. R. Ram. Lip. 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 Net. 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 Top. Top. If you read all 5 words, give yourself 5 golden stars. You did it! I am so proud of you today. You learned how to blend. You learned how to read. You learned how to build words. And you learned word families too. You are a true word wizard. Thank you for learning with Tiny Talent Academy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more fun learning. Bye, my little readers. See you next time.